taking chicken out and just like to thaw this chicken before I cook it. So whenever you touch raw chickens, make sure that you wash your hand. And I'm gonna thaw this chicken for around maybe an hour, and then it will be ready. And then I'm gonna put some salt and pepper after that, and gonna marinate for maybe half an hour more, and then we're gonna start cooking pasta. So by that time our chicken is being marinated, we are boiling our pasta over here, and this pasta will take about 15-20 minutes. We just need to make sure that we do not overcook it. So that's the only thing that we need to worry about. Yeah, that's it. So right now I'm cooking my chicken over here in this. So I put a little bit olive oil. I put the chicken in there, and then I am making this pasta sauce over here. So for that I am putting a little bit butter first. Now I'm putting a little bit butter to start making my sauce. Okay, I'll just put some butter here. Start the gas, and from the I'm gonna put some nutmeg flakes in here. It's gonna give nice nutty flavor. So this pasta sauce is gonna take some time. When the pasta sauce is done, and I'll show you how to cook pasta sauce once this butter and milk. So now our butter is melted. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour over here. See, almost half spoon here. I'm going to put it here, and I think that should be enough. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. I think that much flour will do. And then by the time I'm also cooking chicken, let's see, this chicken is also cooking here. So we're gonna cook this chicken here and then make nice stripes, and those stripes we're gonna put in our pasta once the pasta sauce is ready. Put some milk to make our pasta sauce. So I'll put a lot of milk here because I like to have the creamy pasta. So put a lot of milk so that we'll have a nice creamy sauce. Yeah, it's gonna take some time, but it will be nice and creamy sauce over here. So once this sauce is ready, we will put some little bit of black pepper, and I also like to put some salt, but let's cook this thing first, and then I'll put salt when I put pasta in it, because I do not want to mess up with the milk over here. So now our chicken is almost ready. I will let it rest for a few minutes, and then I will cut the strips out of it. Okay. You just need to make sure that you do not need to kind of cook it fully, because it's gonna be cooked once again in the pasta. So just make sure that we do not overcook our chicken. So this chicken is resting right now. After a few minutes, I'm gonna cut it, and it will be ready for the pasta. Just put this pasta to drain so that all the water of this pasta will come out. So I think it's almost drained. So now pasta sauce is also kind of ready. So we're gonna start with, and guys, you can think that it may be right now it looks very liquidy, but once we put pasta, chicken, and a lot of cheese into it, then it's gonna be very creamy. So I'm putting this pasta into this bowl, and once done, then we're gonna put some chicken. So first we just gonna cook like this and mix well, and then I'm gonna put cheese into it, some salt, some black pepper, and then some cream. chicken is well rested now, and I'm gonna cut this chicken in pieces. This is how cut chicken gonna look. We're gonna put some little bit of salt in it just to properly season it, and that's it. We're gonna put this chicken back in the pot. See, I'm putting this chicken back in the pot. So now chicken is there in the pasta. We mix it really well. Now I'm gonna put put this lid on the top of my bowl over here and let it cook for maybe 2-3 minutes, and then we are done. So okay guys, this pasta is ready. This is so creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. You can have this nice pasta for dinner now. Thank you.